Introduction to JavaScript Replace Method. One of the most common tasks in any programming language is manipulating strings. In JavaScript, one of the useful methods to manipulate strings is the replace method. The replace method searches a string for a specified value or a regular expression and returns a new string where the specified values are replaced. Understanding JavaScript replace method. JavaScript replace method is a built-in function that allows you to replace a part of a string with something else. In the syntax, search value can be a string or a regular expression. Replace value can be a string or a function to call for each match. Examples of JavaScript replace method: replace a word in a string with another word. Replace a matched number with its double using a function as the second argument. The replace method doesn't change the original string, but returns a new one. Tips and tricks. The replace method replaces only the first occurrence of the specified value. To replace all occurrences, use a global regular expression. Common error-prone cases and how to avoid them. Not understanding that replace doesn't modify the original string. Forgetting that replace only replaces the first match. Mixing up the order of arguments. Not handling case sensitivity. Conclusion: JavaScript's replace method is a powerful tool for string manipulation. It's flexible and easy to use, but it's important to understand its characteristics and potential pitfalls. With the right knowledge, replace can make your JavaScript code more efficient and readable.